Ayaw ko talaga ng corruption. It makes me sick. Sabi ko, sinabi mo, alam ko man na lahat ng presinto kanila yung karera. Sabi ko, sige, ito na yan. Mag-smuggling kayo. Huwag lang droga. At kaya gun for her kidnapping. Sugal. May, kada magprangkahan na tayo. Yung lottery. May illegal yan, may legal. May arrangement dyan. Basta, sabihin lang yung totoo sa akin. Pupuntasan, tutulong sa inyo, okay lang yan. So, there has to be an arrangement here. If you get something from other sources, let us talk. Wag druga, wag druga. But other arrangements, alam ko na napupunta sa inyo. Just tell me the truth, hindi ako mag-iinis ang sintaw. Hindi ko na kailangan matanda na ako. Iwasan lang ninyo yung corruption sa droga. Kasi sa smuggling, kalaban mo dyan si Paidon lang naman. Pati si Dominguez, pati si BIR. Bang kayong lahat? Alam ko karamihan sa inyo pumunto sa akin. What? Stop graft and corruption. Hindi po talaga may stop yan. So may compromise. But it should not be at the expense of the nation. We can make arrangement. Huwag na tayo magbulan. Yung illegal, pati illegal na alam mo na kung anong ibig kong sabihin. For the most part, pinaghati-hati ninyo yan. I just kept silent. Ang nakita ko kasi, mga station commander sila, mukhang nakakaroon ng dito lang sila. Pero okay lang yan. I will not begrudge you. Hindi ko kayo bahala na kayo mag-arrange. I mean, I'm not saying that we have to do illegal things. What I'm saying is that until such time that we can give you more, then tulong, tanggapin ninyo. So I look beyond. Hindi ako sabihin nung hanap ako ng mali. Just tell me the truth. And I will understand. Iwasan lang ninyo. Maintindihan mo. Happy birthday, Bato, and salamat po.
In my time, during my watch, there will be no corruption, period.